All right, heavy snow. Okay. Go ahead, Josh. Get that thing up there. Pete, pick it up. Josh, both of you pick up the smaller one. Help him. Work together. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Oh,
they
no,
got it up there.
It's gonna fall.
You got to really smash it down there.
Guys, you gotta smash it down really hard.
Get other snow, Josh, from the ground.
Yeah, you got to get other snow and pack it in there, Josh.
Okay, hold it there. Oh, great. Good same.
Josh, help him. Pack it in.
You gotta make a third one. But
But it has to be a lot smaller.
I'm definitely gonna make This is awesome.
It's not even that deep of snow. And down by the bottom, you're kind of got a little bit of a gap.
Pause the videos on there, and then like when they're done, play it.